Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Electronics theme in your WordPress for completely free. As you can see, I can easily install this theme and activate it for completely free. Now let's see how you can do this for yourself. First, go on Google and search for free theme plugins. Then click on the first link, which is freethemeplugin.com. After that, you will be redirected to this website. Here you can download all the theme, plugin and script for completely free. Here now search for the plugin or theme name, then click on the theme and scroll down and click on download now. Then you will be redirected to download page, and once the download link is completed, you can download the theme for completely free, and you can see the file size also here and the version name. This is how you can download Electronics themes for completely free. And thank you for watching. I will see you on next video.